The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been exposed once again in a new set of images that show the upcoming smartphone in an unboxed or being boxed state. The Pixel 8 Pro is shown off from all angles, and there is also a look at the accessories and the packaging for the 2023 flagship smartphone from Google. Sadly, the images are not high-quality shots, but we can expect more images and unboxing videos before the official launch. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has suffered yet another image-related leak barely days after being the star of a few hands-on photos. In a series of what could be called unboxing images but appear to be more accurately pre-boxing shots, the Pixel 8 Pro is clearly in a factory setting, undergoing a last quality check and clean before being sealed inside its packaging. It seems that at least two devices are visible here, as there is one Google Pixel 8 Pro in the obsidian black colorway, while another appears to be dressed in porcelain. The images, which are not especially high-quality shots, show the phone along with the expected USB-C cable, charger, and what Google calls the quick switch adapter. The Pixel 8 Pro's matte rear surface can also be made out in this latest image leak. Alongside these pictures, a user on Twitter posted some pictures of the Pixel 8 in hazel, a slightly confusing gray/green color in its box. The box also confirms 128 gigabytes of storage, sub-6 5G support, and a 6.2-inch display. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, which will feature the Google Tensor G3 SoC and is expected to start at around $899, certainly looks like a typical member of the Pixel family with its distinctive camera bar. Unfortunately, the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing images don't really reveal too much more than what is already known, but there will likely be several more leaks before the Pixel 8 series is finally launched on October 4. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.